Have you ever struggled with self-doubt or just feeling like you're not ready to actually get started and jump into the entrepreneurial world? If so, you're gonna love this month's Ask Kim episode because it's all about stepping into confidence, into your skill set, and knowing when you're actually ready to get started. And this question comes from the amazing Gregory Smith. He's one of our lovely subscribers, and he posted this question. I thought it was so brilliant. I needed to jump on here, answer it for you guys, and just get to it. Okay, so he asks, how can we assure people of the skills that we have, meaning certificates, testimonials, portfolios? But for those of us who are plagued with self-doubt that is so common in the modern West, how do we gain an accurate assessment of our own skills that can help direct us towards the creation of a service-based business? Love this question, Gregory. So if, like Gregory, you have a question that you'd like to submit for a future Ask Him episode, let me know, because we're actually looking for as many questions as we can get. We're going to do a rapid fire Q&A. We haven't done that in a while on the channel, and I definitely would love to hear what you are wondering about. Like, what are some of the questions that you might have? Okay, so I have 3 really awesome principles that have helped me kind of combat self-doubt as I've grown my business. Let me just start with this. Everybody, every single person that you love and admire at some point experiences self-doubt, and it doesn't go away as you continue growing and succeeding. It's actually something that lingers. And so it's all about learning how to manage it, right? Having the right tools to do that instead of just trying to be perfect all the time and expect self-doubt not to creep in. So the first thing that I learned that was super impactful for me was to focus on getting people results, right? Like knowing when you're ready to step into a business or really hone on your skill set is all about results. Can you actually help people? And even when you can deliver, and that's clear as day, we still can experience self-doubt. And that really comes down to just being aware that self-doubt is normal, that it's a process, that it's part of it. Especially if you're a creator or an artist, that's gonna be really difficult. So I still experience plenty of self-doubt. It's just part of the game. Now, principle number 2 that really helped me comes from Brendon Burchard. If you don't know who he is, I consider him one of my mentors from afar. He's amazing. Go subscribe to his channel. I will leave it in the description box below for you guys. I just love this principle, and it's called the competence confidence loop. Competence confidence loop, right? So the more you hone in on your skills, right, the more competent you become at whatever you do. And so as you deliver and you become more and more experienced, you actually gain confidence, right? So competence begets confidence and vice versa. So as you continue doing the work, implementing, digging, just in the trenches doing the work, you'll become more confident doing that work, and you'll get more and bigger and better results for your clients and your customers. And that really is the key. Do the work, right? Just dive into the work. Don't be afraid of self-doubt. Don't be afraid of negative self-talk. That is something we all experience. So it's about, are you going to actually decide to dive in regardless, right? Get your hands dirty, roll up those sleeves, and get to work. And then principle number 3 comes from the brilliant Marie Forleo, who, when I was starting out, really gave me so much insight and so much advice through her amazing YouTube channel and through her program, B-School. And I loved this principle. So she talks about how one of the strategies you can use when you have negative self-talk or you're feeling like a lot of doubt is to focus on your clients instead of yourself. So focus on your clients and the people you serve instead of focusing on yourself and your own, self-worth or your lack of X, Y, Z. So what this means is anytime you're feeling self-doubt or you're feeling like, I don't really know how to do this, or I don't have the skills that are required, focus on the people, right? Focus on making a difference, focus on giving people results, focus on serving genuinely. The more you do that, the more successful you'll become. The more successful you'll become, the more confidence you will have. So if you're worried about starting before you're ready, it's all about results. And if you don't have results yet, one of the things that I found served me a lot was working with people for free. So I would offer my services for free for anyone who would take them. I built my portfolio. I got really, really good at what I did. And so that alone helped me build my self-confidence. Now, just because I got people's results doesn't mean my self-confidence immediately just like eradicated. I had to fight that every single day. And the more and more successful I become, I still have a ton of self-doubt. I still wonder many days, am I cut out for this? Am I legit? You know, that imposter syndrome comes up all the time for me. So I hope that you don't feel like this is, you know, a unique and exclusive sensation for anyone who's starting a new business. Everybody goes through that, and I want to be able to normalize that for you. So hey, if you've gotten value from this video, please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to dive in deeper into these concepts, I just wanted to invite you to Marie Forleo's brand new free training series. It is amazing. She's talking about 5 of the mistakes that most entrepreneurs make as they're starting, growing, or scaling their online businesses. It is such an amazing training. I already went through it and I thought there was so much golden advice that you should totally leverage. It's absolutely free. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to enroll in B-School. So I just wanted to extend that invitation. The link will be in the description box below. So I hope this video was helpful. It's a quick one. I just wanted to answer that question very briefly. And then if you have questions for our upcoming episode, please leave them in the comment section below. Would absolutely love to answer those for you. I love you. Un beso. Bye for now.